Hello, this is the $1 cooking challenge. It's issued by Denoy on living with a van, living in a van. Anyways, so here it is. A bit of orange and 2 eggs. I figure that costs $1 when I'm cooking. Well, I'm not cooking the orange. I'm going to poach the eggs in the microwave with an egg poacher that's made for the microwave. So before I crack those in there, I need to put a wee bit of water, which I will do off camera. Okay. Down. Okay, maybe you can't see the water I just added. There. Now you can see it. There's just a wee bit in the bottom. That's to poach the eggs in. Now crack the eggs. Each of these eggs is worth roughly 29 cents a piece. So I think I paid $3.50 for this dozen of brown eggs. Whenever I buy brown eggs, they're always way fresher and way tastier. I don't like stale eggs. And even to buy small white eggs, a dozen, is about $2.50, roughly. This is up here in Canada. I wish I could pay 87 cents for a dozen eggs, and I sincerely wish that the Dollar Tree up here had more grocery items. Excuse me, they don't. I went and checked. And I don't think the Dollarama has grocery items either. I mean, they have loaves of bread, they have processed food, boxed items, that sort of thing. They have, honey, coffee, but they don't have, like turkey bacon for $1. Okay, so I close this. I think it's more expensive up here in Canada than it is down in the United States. And coming to that conclusion, actually I came to that conclusion a while ago. At this point in time, they're doing better than us. Because our gas is about $4 a gallon. Theirs is about $2.50 a gallon. Eggs for 88 cents, eggs for $3. Like a dozen, I mean. Holy man, yeah. Anyways, and I'm putting up with minus 30 temperatures. Oh. Okay, so I'm putting the eggs in the microwave. And I'm going to actually pick up the camera so you guys can enjoy this procedure. Because one of them, whoa, good tripod. Whoops. It's a Joby, and it's well used. So anywho, there I am. Hi. I'm going to set the time, hit start, there they go. Okay. And that little wonderful bit of plastic that I slid on the handle to hold it, that is a very valuable piece of plastic that does not come with the egg poacher. Do not look for it anywhere. Not sold in stores anywhere. Thingiverse, that's where you gotta find it. That and a friend with a 3D printer that's willing to print you one. It's an invaluable little tool, as you'll probably see. Maybe. I'm not guaranteeing it, but usually one of them explodes. A watched egg will not explode. Unbelievable. That's a first. I'm going to edit in some footage from a previous, because I can tell you right now, whoops, I bumped my tripod. They explode. They do, they do. Alright, let's put this down. Oh, burnt me, burnt me, burnt me. Ouch, 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 ouch. Do not make the mistake I just made. I did not hold it level, and some of the liquid came out on my pinky. I'm okay. Okay. Let's undo this and see what we have. Oh yeah. Sometimes getting that up is a bit of a trick. There we go. Ta-da. Grab a plate. Alright, now to spoon them out, which is also a bit of a trick. And there we have it. Excuse me, I have a cold. Breakfast for $1. 30 cents a piece for the eggs, and I'm sure that's got to be 30 to 50 cents worth of orange, because the whole entire orange was at least $1. Oops, I'm sorry, out of frame. So I tried to divide about 30 cents of it. But I did want to be technical and have this to be worth $1 or less, including cooking it in the microwave. So there you have it. I'm going to taste test it now. I need a fork. Oh yeah, they're both quite well done. I'm very surprised that neither of them exploded. This is like shocking to me. Okay, let's see if I can be in the frame. Excuse me again. I'm so congested. They're very good. I love poached eggs. So good. Okay. Excuse me again. I'm going to end this little video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. There will be more. I'm constantly producing something. Oh my goodness, excuse me. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. And I am trying to keep this under $1. And I should mention that these eggs, there we go, one of them exploded, just like I said.